Alright, so just a quick video on how to use Gogga with Netbeans. Right, so we're going to go to the Funworks website. Remember, that's where the publisher of the books. So go to funworks.co.za, file downloads, Java files. Then go down here, and you're going to get the IT zip. Right, for this one, we're going to download it. We did download it in the beginning of the year, but just may as well get it again. And we're going to take it, copy it. I'm going to put it inside my GitHub folder, inside the grade 10s. I'm just going to make a new folder here and call it Gogga Netbeans. And then we'll put our project in here as well. Right, open there, paste the IT zip. Then we can extract this into this folder. Once you've extracted it, you can just go back and delete the zip folder. Right, and so we've got that it.jar over there. In Netbeans, let's make a new project. Java application. I'm going to save it in IT inside that GitHub folder. Inside the Gogga Netbeans folder. Let's just call it Gogga test. Right, now comes the important part. Up here at libraries, we are going to get a new one. So we're going to not add a project. We are going to add a jar folder. Then just go find, so this is in Gogga Netbeans it.jar. Open that, and so what you should have then is this it.jar over there. Right, we've got that. And then we just use it like normal. So we're going to import it.gogga. May as well just import everything from it. And then over here, we'll just put in our Gogga. Let's just call this one bug is equal to new Gogga. And let's do a bug.move. Move 4 times, so then we can bug.turn left, and then bug.move a few more times just to check. Right, and let's run it. There's a Gogga, and he's moving around. Cool.